Michael Saylor says $250 trillion of assets are looking for Bitcoin. Next on your 4-Minute Bitcoin. Today's show is from a post by the Daily Hodl staff and brought to you by BitBlockBoom. Microstrategy Chief Executive Michael Saylor says that $250 trillion worth of assets are looking for an ideal store of value, and Bitcoin is a prime candidate. In an interview with Keith McCullough, Saylor explains why investors should simply buy and hold Bitcoin, or HODL, stating when we're talking about a software network that's going to change the lives of 1 billion people and dematerialize $1 trillion of energy, the only question is this the winner? And Bitcoin is the winner of the cryptocurrency wars. It defeated 6,500 different cryptocurrency competitors, and it has risen out of those wars to be the dominant cryptocurrency asset network, just like Amazon defeated every retailer in cyberspace, just like Apple defeated everyone in the mobile space, just like Facebook defeated everyone in the social space. So you have a chance to buy and own the winner, and just wait for the rest of the world to recognize it. Saylor also says that when it comes to preserving one's wealth over the course of decades, Bitcoin's performance, well, that it's second to none. He then said, if you wanted to take $1 million and put it into an investment and give it to your daughter or to your granddaughter in 30 years, how would you do that? How would you pass down a material amount of money to your granddaughter or your daughter in 30 years? That's the question here, because he can't do it with real estate in Florida where he lives because they tax it away from you in 30 years. He can't do it with stock because he doesn't know the stocks won't get destroyed in 30 years. And he can't do it with gold because it's going to be cut in half and maybe seized by someone in 30 years. He says you can't do it with a bond, and you can't do it with currency. With Bitcoin, though, you can, because you can't make any more of it. You've got the pure piece of financial energy. Now, you could buy it, you could hold it for no carry cost, and you would be able to hand it to someone in 30 years. Now, as Bitcoin proves itself as the #1 store of value asset, the Microstrategy CEO highlights how Bitcoin could be at the receiving end of hundreds of trillions of dollars worth of investments. Now, I know I talked about Michael Saylor a lot, but I just can't get enough of this Bitcoin bull. Please let me know your thoughts in the comments. And this episode, well, it's brought to you by BitBlockBoom, the great Bitcoin conference I host every year in Dallas, Texas, every August, as a matter of fact. BitBlockBoom is a true Bitcoin event, not a cryptocurrency event or an altcoin event. So if you're interested in Bitcoin, please take a look at bitblockboom.com. I hope I get to meet you in person at this year's event. I'm Gary Leland, the Bitcoin Boomer, and thanks for joining me on another 4-Minute Bitcoin Show. This is a BitBlockBoom.com production.